Hi everyone and welcome to Easy English Fluency with me, Shan. Okay, so today's video is about new British English words. These new words have been added to the Oxford English Dictionary and I have chosen 5 new words for you today. There were many updates in last month, so I couldn't do all the words, but I chose 5 of the most useful and interesting words for you. Okay, so let's look at them together and have fun learning. Okay, our first word is angel-faced. Angel-faced. Okay, so angel-faced is a noun and it means having a face like that of an angel, having a beautiful, sweet, or innocent face. Okay, so this is a positive word and it would be used as a compliment to somebody. Okay, so let's take a look at a picture. Okay, so in this picture we have a woman. Do you think she is beautiful or ugly? So I think she is very beautiful. She has a very nice and sweet face. So we would call her angel-faced. Okay, let's look at an example. Okay, she was so beautiful and angel-faced, I couldn't believe it. So it's very positive and I think you could use this with somebody that you know or a celebrity. Maybe we wouldn't say it to somebody's face like you are so angel faced. We would use it about people. So, for example, oh, she is so angel faced, or a celebrity you know is so angel faced, but maybe not directly to a person. Okay, let's go to another word. So we have chomper. Chomper. Okay, let's see what it means. So this is also a noun and it is a person who or an animal or thing which bites, chews, crushes or eats something especially vigorously or greedily. Okay, so vigorously means very fast, very aggressive, and greedily means maybe to eat a lot in a very short time. Okay, so this word is not positive, it is negative. So please don't use it with somebody you like or with a friend, as they might feel very sad and offended. Okay, let's take a look at a picture. Okay, so this man, he looks very hungry and he looks like he is about to take a huge bite of this burger, a huge chomp. Okay, so if he were to be a chomper, he would eat it very quickly, very vigorously, and we would call him a chomper. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Okay, he was a total chomper on our date. I don't want to see him again. Okay, so somebody went on a date with this guy and he was a total chomper. Maybe the person felt very uncomfortable and they decided that they don't want to see him again. So when you go on a date, please don't be a chomper, please eat slowly, and I think you can get a second date. Okay, let's take a look at the next word. Okay, fakey. Fakey. Okay, what do you think this means? Let's find out. Okay, so this is a noun, adjective, and adverb, and we use this in casual English. Okay, so with friends and family, but not in business. Okay, if you want to use a business version, you would just say a fake something. So a fake bag, a fake nail, a fake document. So, but never a fakie. Okay, let's look at the definition. An artificial substitute for something, a fake or false handbag, fingernail, eyelash, etc. Okay, so this word is used for items related to the fashion industry and the beauty industry. So a fake designer dress, a fake fingernail, fake eyelashes, usually those kinds of items. Okay, let's look at a picture. Okay, so we have a picture of a red handbag. It looks very well made and very expensive. Maybe it's a designer bag. Okay, so let's look at an example. Okay, so we have a dialogue with two people here. Okay, so person A, is that a real designer handbag? Person B, no, it's a fakie. Okay, so designer handbags are very expensive and usually people don't like to pay a lot of money if it's a fashion item because fashion is always changing. So people will buy a fakie to stay in trend, and fakies are cheaper, so it's easy to keep buying them. But if you buy a designer handbag and the style is not cool anymore, maybe you would feel you wasted your money. Okay, but it's okay if you want to buy a fakie. I think it's okay. Okay, so let's look at the next word. Nomophobia. Nomophobia. Okay, so this word was new to me too, and I think it's a very interesting word because I feel many people probably have this phobia. Okay, so a phobia is like something that you're scared of or something that you fear. So maybe a phobia of spiders or a phobia of the dark. Those would be phobias that you're scared of the dark, scared of spiders. Okay, so let's see what nomophobia is. Okay, so this is a noun and it is anxiety about not having access to a mobile phone or mobile phone services. Okay, so mobile phone services would be text messaging, phone calling, and online data. So data you can use for social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Okay, let's look at a picture. Okay, so this man here, he looks very stressed or very upset. Maybe he forgot his phone and he can't check his Instagram, so he's feeling very sad and maybe he will have a boring day. Okay, let's look at an example. I think I've got nomophobia. I've left my phone at home and I can't check my social media. It's driving me crazy. Okay, so I think many people might feel this way, me too. If I forget my phone, I feel very stressed and very upset. Okay, so driving me crazy. Maybe you have heard of this before, but if you haven't, driving me crazy means to annoy me, to distract me. Okay, so for example, if somebody next to you is on their phone talking very loudly and you are trying to work, it would annoy you, it would drive you crazy, it would drive me crazy. Okay? Okay, and our last word today is simples. Okay, so a lot of British people use this, especially the younger people. It was first from a TV commercial and it's a very interesting word, very fun word. Okay, let's see what it means. Okay, so it is used usually immediately after a statement giving a solution to a problem to indicate that something is very simple or straightforward to do. Okay, so straightforward means easy, so easy to do. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. So we have three girls here, okay, and the girl in the middle looks like she is explaining something. So maybe one of her friends has a problem and the girl in the middle is giving them a solution. Okay, let's look at an example. If you want to study English, just watch Easy English Fluency's videos on YouTube. Simples. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So thanks so much for watching. And if you liked this video and would like to see more videos about English, please subscribe. This is a new channel and I'm very excited to teach you all English. I love teaching English. So if there are any videos that you would like to see, please comment down below and let me know, and I will be more than happy to make those videos for you. Okay, so thanks again for watching and see you all soon. Bye bye.